Now you have multiplied your account a few times in one trade.
Christophe will
Insane.
say major profits.
Major
Yes, I think
profits.
so.
Split the money up in 5 accounts.
That's a good amount.
So that right there, 1,300 pips. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Tactic Time Traders channel. I'm your host, Christoph, and today we're going to present ourselves. So we have a trading community, and that's on Discord, me, myself, and my best friend, Timothy, as you can see above. We are the two guys who are hosting the community, and we are going to teach you how to become a consistent, profitable trader. And we are going to talk a little bit about ourselves today in this video, who we are, what is our past, what have we accomplished in the past. And Arno is one of our moderators, and he's also going to talk a little bit about himself, because he's following our steps, and he's also at a turning point in his trading career where he's learning the how do we say it, the right stuff, so he is able to make consistent profits. So yeah, I'm going to talk a little bit about myself right now. So I have been trading for about 15 years right now. Not really serious. I mean, I have started trading when I was 16 years old. Started buying some bitcoins and stuff like that. But really day trading and not talking about gambling, so really taking things serious, that has been something like 10 years for now. But to be honest, I have never been the best trader, but I have always been very good at predicting the market, because I have been very attracted to the teachings of W.D. Gann, which is some esoteric stuff. How to predict the markets, when to enter buy and sell positions. But I was so focused on the analyzing of the charts and so focused on predicting the markets with these esoteric ways that I was losing the focus on the thing itself, which is trading and making money. And when I later on discovered that I needed to work on my mindset, I needed to work on my trading plan, I needed to also do exactly as I said I would do. So if my trading plan says no trade today, then I can't take any trade today. So that's an example of what I mean with following what you are telling yourself to do. So, and all that stuff has really changed my life in regards to trading and the trading results I have right now. So that's what I will teach you guys in this video, and let's say on this channel, because there will be a lot more videos coming and there is a lot to talk about. But later on in this video you will see some examples, and we will go over those and how you can make money on those examples. Now you can talk a little bit about yourself, Timothy, and explain to the people who you are and how
Okay, guys. Hello, my name is Timothy. I'm the CEO of this community, and I've been trading for I think 10 years now, and everything I've learned about trading I owe to Christophe, because he's first of all my best friend since we are kids, and also my mentor in trading, also in mindset, in manifestation, meditation, and everything about that. So yeah, he's a very important person in my life, and I'm very grateful for Christophe in my life. So yeah, I traded, like I said, I think 10 years with a lot of ups and downs. I learned a lot of market structure. I learned a lot about mindset and how you need to keep your focus in trading, because that's something very important that you need to achieve when you're trading the markets. I have a wife, I have a kid in life, a daughter, of 2 years at this moment, and yeah, we are ready to take this community to another level and learned a lot of people that struggle with trading to be the best version of themselves because yeah, we are very kind people that won't learn our skills to another person. So yeah, that's very important, and I think that's the biggest thing that I can say about myself and what we are will do in the future and now. So I leave it up to Arno. Let's talk about a little bit about yourself. Who are you? What you're doing in life? Where you come from? What's
Yes,
your
brother. Yes, thank you. I'm Arno. I'm 32. Now I can talk about many things actually that happened and still happens in my life. Um, but trading is a very big part of my life. Already 6 years, 7 years, I think. Many ups and downs. But a little bit more about myself first, without talking about trading. Now I'm working for a government in Belgium, already
okay?
8 years, almost 9 years. A good job. I'm security and mentor uh, in a close center, but actually, I like to be free. I like to be like a bird flying around in the world somewhere, and I don't like to be in the system. And I'm part of the system already for so many years, and people that need to judge about me without they know me, uh, s- haters, a lot of haters that don't want to see me grow. I put already a lot of e- engagement on my freedom, on my mindset, on my meditation skills, about choosing who I want to spend my time and my energy on. My friends, my family, family you choose, is very important. I saw already 30 countries in my life, and still growing, of course.
Okay, and what are your goals? Where are you at this moment?
I'm now in Spain, invited by a friend. I took a break on my job from Belgium for 10 months. Um, I'm trying to build up some life in Spain right now. I'm diving many times. I like the sea. I like to be free, and it's another world underwater. I would love to go around with a boat, maybe, or yeah.
Yes, you told to me that you are diving in Spain,
Hmm.
and that's something that you want to keep in life because it's kind of your passion that
Yeah,
you're
it's
not.
it's a nice investment of time. It's another world, and you can find maybe things that you know.
Yeah, it's very important. And where do you see yourself in 5 years, brother?
Yeah, I definitely want to have more freedom. I'm working on my trading skills. I was already a few times funded trader FTMO, uh, but I lost my discipline sometimes of keeping myself on the specific time frames, and yeah, there is a whole strategy behind trading, and you need to know. Uh,
Yes. In other words, you made a lot of mistakes in trading.
yeah, I made already some mistakes, and now I'm building some future, and I follow the the analysis already many times, and I see that it's working for sure.
Okay,
Okay.
but if you already achieved a funded account, that means that you're already pretty good at trading, right?
Yeah. I had already some time behind the candlesticks, but I know some things about trading, but still there are mistakes that I made, and
Yeah.
uh,
That's what many traders experience, and that's most of the traders then stop with trading. But when once you're at that position that you already achieved some kind of success, because that's not nothing. Getting a funded account is not so easy to achieve if you're let's say if you're a bad trader. You're not going to achieve that, or you must be
Mhm.
like gambling and spending so many trying so many accounts. But once you're at that position, you just need to make it something that you can keep on doing each and every day, each and every week, something that's sustainable, not
Mhm.
like one time being lucky or 1 week being lucky. And
Yeah.
most of the time, it's because at the time that you achieved the funded account, you were doing things right because you had a goal and you believed in the goal. But then once you get that account, that kind of money to trade with, that changes your mentality. Because then you feel the pressure. You have like, okay, now I have so much money to trade with, so now I need to be careful, and that's when or you get excited and you just want to make quick money right now, and you do the opposite trades as you were doing usual. And that's the thing that's very important to create a version of yourself
Right.
that no matter what capital you're trading with, you will always do exactly as you need to do. So if there is no trade, there is no trade. And if there is the perfect setup, that's when you put a little bit more lot size, but not
Mhm.
extremely more, but a little bit more. So those are very important things I've noticed that many traders experience. I have experienced it myself. Also, Timothy. I mean, everyone that I know, um, and also the successful traders have experienced that. So
Mhm.
I want to show you guys a little example of the way that we are trading right now. So we make use of different kind of market structures, and we also make use of liquidity grabs. So right here we have the US30 Dow Jones on the 1 minute time frame, and I have marked out the opening of the market. So that's at 9:30 a.m. New York time. So what can we analyze before the market opened? We see that right here we had some kind of consolidation zone. So that's very important to take note of. So that the consolidation area is one of the four market structures that are very important, because every time we experience a consolidation, we expect the move that is the move that's coming up next to be pretty aggressive. Now that's not always the case, of course, but most of the time that's the case. And the longer the consolidation is taking, so right here the consolidation is taking something like from 3 a.m. till 8 a.m. So that's 5 hours. So this is a pretty long consolidation on the 1 minute time frame. So it's very important to take note of that. So what we can do right now is we can extend that consolidation zone to see if the market reacts from there when the market opens. So what we can see right here, market is opening here 9:30 a.m. and you see some wicks forming right there. Now that's already an indication that market is maybe trying to manipulate the people. Now here we have this consolidation area, and as you can see, the market is being manipulated into that consolidation area, and from there we start again to create another consolidation, a really small one, but nevertheless a consolidation. So right now, once we see this setup happen around the opening of the market, which is exactly what is happening here, we can trade the breakout of that one of the two or both of the boxes, the consolidation areas. Once we get that breakout candle and a close, that's where you enter. You can even enter once earlier if you want to, but that's a little bit more risky. But to give an example here, if we would have entered on the close of that candle and we use the opening of the candle as our stop loss, so that's right there. And now we go search for a take profit. So the first take profit could be right here, of course, at the opening of the markets, but that's a very short take profit. But I would look a little bit further to see if we have another area. And what I see right here is we have another very important consolidation area here. So if we extend that, we could have used that as a take profit area. So the beginning, so the upper band could have been your take profit, or the middle, the middle of the area could have been your take profit. But now let's take the upper band. That would have given you a risk to reward of 3.3, which is not bad at all. Also take note that you are making that kind of money and risk to reward within 17 minutes. So within 17 minutes, and you made that money, now you stop trading, because one is the next time that you will get the highest probability of a kind of setup like this is tomorrow when 9:30, when the market will open. So that's the way that once I started doing that, just forget everything, like trading at night, looking at charts and being like paranoid about I want to take every trade, every chart, And once you stop doing that and you just like become the chill guy, and the chill guy is like, I just want to trade when the biggest moves are happening, when the market opens. I just take, hopefully, maybe one trade. If the market gives me that opportunity, I will take that trade, and maybe in a few minutes maximum, 1 hour or 1 hour 30 ultra maximum, and you're done, and you stop trading, and now you're not over trading. And now you know the direction to trade, where to put your take profits, etc. You know everything what you need to know. Now you just need to become a robot and follow your own, or the rules that I have created, but you can make your own rules, of course. But that's when everything for me changed. Now, what do you think about that, Arno?
It looks very, very nice, I think, for sure. And it's also very clear that it comes back many times. And of course, waiting until the consolidation is very important by the opening of the markets. Yeah.
Yeah, indeed.
I think when you have the choice to follow this strategy
Of course.
of a trader that have a lot of experience in trading, I think that many people will follow that, because that is the thing that everybody needs to be profitable in trading, and don't use many hours in the day to watch the charts. What
Yeah.
already explained, in 17 minutes with a good lot size, you will make a lot of profits. And
Yeah,
it
so
will
so
go back.
that's also the thing. Like there are so many ways that you can become a profitable trader, but you need to decide for your own. Everybody needs to do that. You need to decide what kind of trader am I willing to be. Scalper, day trader, or investor. Maybe you just want to become an investor. That's also another possibility. But me, myself, I like to see trading as something that I can do it daily and make a lot of money each and every day. Now, I know that that's not always the case, but what I mean with that is that I can say that there are 20 trading days each month. Okay, I want to be there every trading day, and if the opportunity is there, I want to take that opportunity. So maybe 15 out of the 20 trading days I will be trading, and I will take the most high probability trade setups, and I will get something like an 80% accuracy, or I'm just now throwing some numbers, but it's something like that, and that's what I want to do, to be at the end of the month, so that I can always say like that I'm making like huge numbers in percent, and that's for me personally who I want to be, and that's what I've been focusing on. The 1 minute time frame is everything I need to be successful. I can, of course, when I analyze the other time frames, it gives me more probability and even better setups, but give me only the 1 minute and I will be profitable. I have done it so many times. So now I'm not sure, like, who do you want to be, Arno?
I want to be on the profitable side, man, for sure. I like the profits. I like the
like
numbers. I like good food. I like good travels with my family. With you both guys, we're gonna see the limit. The sky is not the limit.
So
Yes,
you
I
could
think it's
also like become a swing trader if you like that kind of, because I know a lot of people who are doing that. So that means that you need to stay in the market for a longer amount of time, but of course the profits will be huge also.
Yeah, it's just a lot of discipline that I need to create, and I know I have discipline, but yeah,
I
take
think it's
profits.
also very important in your situation, because you are diving in the day, that you not look for hours at the chart, and that you just look at the chart when there is the most possible moves in the market, like the opening of the New York session. It's also good for your mindset, because if you look hours to the chart, you will make a lot of mistakes, and that's not good for your mindset.
You see a lot of big
That's
moves,
part,
but
so
the
that's part
biggest
of
move.
the focus, part of the mindset. So it's very important.
Now I have here another example, guys. As you can see, we have so this is the previous day. So I'm not selecting anything, just going over the last days. As we can see, so the opening is here, 9:30 a.m. And we're just going to watch, analyze the market before the opening. So what do we see? We see a large consolidation area. And here we have a smaller consolidation area happening. Now, here we're going to check what happened when the market opened. The market immediately on the first candle shot above and closed above the two consolidation areas. Now, the next time, once we get, those are the best trade setups, guys. Those are the best ones. Once we get above it, that means there is a breakout potentially happening, okay? Now, most of the time, the market will come back into that consolidation area, and that's when you want to enter for a trade. Now, you can see that happened 2 times right here, because after that, the market went above the high, closed above it, and then another time came back into that consolidation area, also the smaller consolidation area, as you can see, why it's important to mark all the consolidation areas. And that was your second entry or potentially a second entry. Now I'm going to explain really quick, like how do you enter on that candle. I'm going to show you. So actually it's really simple. You just wait for a breakout to the upside. So where do we have in the first one here? Where do we have a breakout? Here we have a close above it. So this is your entry, and you could put your stop loss underneath the smaller consolidation area. And the second entry, so I'm going to show you the second entry, would have been right here on the same price level approximately. So here, and you could have used the stop loss underneath the candle or underneath the consolidation area right here. Now where do you put the take profit? You just can go for the high. So that gave you already a risk to reward of 1.7, which is not bad, but it all depends on how you use your stop loss, of course, because you can, once you, don't forget guys, this is 1 minute time frame, and watch what happened after the entry. Watch what happened after the entry. Did we come back to that level? Yeah, okay.
No, zero drawdown.
One wick came one pip underneath it. But you get the point what I mean. You can use a very short stop loss and still get the trade right. So you can use the low of the candle, for example. Now is your risk to reward is 3.3. You see, so that's a big difference. So once you nail this system down and you know when the real breakout is happening and when the real setup is happening and not the fake out as you had happening right here. But even this one, if you took that trade and your stop loss was way down here underneath the consolidation area, you are still safe. So both of the trades could have been profitable. So that's really another example, you know, it's really easy once you understand this. And this we are only talking about one market phase, okay? So this is really basics. There's so much you can notice that happens every day again and again.
But US30 it's very clear.
Yeah,
I think.
Yeah, but that's also something that's I love US30. So give me any other market and I will also make profits out of that market. But US30 is really so easy to make profits on. It's really insane to me.
It's an uptrend, I think. A lot of days, months already. US30.
So yeah, the chart on the 1 minute time frame here, you can see how it goes. It's
Yeah.
really aggressive, but this is just the nature of this market because there are so many companies involved in this index, and these companies are fluctuating and in volume and so many buy and sell orders at the same time going on that creates. So once, what I want to say is, like, once there is a move happening in, let's say, gold, now everyone is focused on gold. Everyone wants to take that same position. Oh yeah, there is a breakout, so now the whole world wants to go in a sell position on gold. Okay, now with something like US30, Dow Jones, there is a little bit different, because you have different companies in it, and each of those companies can have, you know, a major bull run or a major decline. And then you have also people trading, you have people investing in the index, you have people trading it, you have, so it's a little bit more complex as gold. And so what I want to say is, once there is a move happening in US30 and you first of all, you can catch it really early on, much earlier as in gold. So that's the first thing. And secondly, once you're in it, I mean, buckle up, you are going to make a lot of money, and don't go out your trade too soon. You need to really see where the market is going based on earlier highs and lows, and where the liquidity grabs will be. But that is very important. So to give you guys an example here, so when you're trading, depending on the broker, of course, but when you're trading US30 with a one lot size, so that's not anything special or anything big. So with a one lot size, you get $1 per pip. So each pip is $1. So let's say you just catched this decline, this breakout. So you could have maybe catched it. So we have two. Maybe you could have catched it right here on the breakout or right here on the low of that one, and you go in it, and let's see how many pips that is.
That's a good amount.
that is so that right there gave us 1,300 pips.
Christoph
Insane.
will say major profits.
Major
Yes,
profits.
I think so.
Easy money.
That's fucking insane. I mean, now you have multiplied your account a few times in one trade. You're done trading, okay? Now that you stop trading if you took that trade. You could have been trading on your MetaTrader account with a $100 or let's say a few $100, doesn't matter. I'm just showing some example. And you go in with that with a one lot size and you make 1,300. Now you have multiplied your account a few times in one trade.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot.
So.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot.
So now you take that same capital and you do that again. I mean, you can keep on multiplying your money, but of course you are risking a lot when you are trading aggressively. So you need to take precautions and sometimes split up your accounts, split the money up in 5 accounts so that if you blow up one account, you can go to one of your 4 other accounts. And so there are, so that right now we are talking about risk management. So if you're an aggressive trader, it's smart to take the profits out the account, split it in different accounts, and now trade the same with the same aggressive lot size that you're used to, but now do it again with a smaller account, and you keep on doing that until you get a little bit bigger, and then you start flipping bigger accounts. Now you deposit 10K in one account, and you flip that 10K to 50K in a day. So I have seen people do that over and over again. I mean, if you can do it with $10, you can do it with 10K or with 100K. Over and over again. I mean, if you can do it with $10, you can do it with 10K or with 100K.
Yes.
So, yeah, it's
crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy, but that's trading. It is fucking crazy. And the people who are winning are winning like so big, it's fucking insane. So that's where I want you guys and me myself, of course, to head, because I have taken a break of trading because I had some projects running with NFTs and I had a YouTube channel before that, and I didn't have the time to trade, but now I'm back into it, and I'm going to use big capital to trade, and I will show it all on video, the trades that I'm taking. I just want you guys to go in the same direction together, and of course the whole community with us. For the people who are watching, we want you to succeed too. We are not here to take your money or anything like that. We are here to help each other build a community, because the world is hard enough and there are enough bad things happening in the world. So let's build something positive and beautiful here.
For sure.
That's one of the beautiful things in our community. We don't ask for money. We just want to help you guys.
There are a lot of negative things in the world, but we will make good energy.
Yes, I think it's already in 5 minutes. Will the call end by itself?
Oh yeah,
So
is it ending by itself?
yeah, I see it on the clock.
Oh, okay. Oh yes, it's ending. Okay, nice that that you have seen that. Great.
Yes.
Okay, nice. It was a great talk, guys. I think we should do it again really soon.
Yeah.
And for the people who watching at home, we will be doing this often. We will be maybe we can have other people. If you are joining the community, you can come into the talk, and we can talk with you. And yeah, well, is there something you guys want to say?
Yeah.
For me, not. If Arno will say something,
Well, I'm very happy to have you both guys in my life
my pleasure, brother.
already for such a long time. Maya is yeah, already for 6 7 years, I think,
Yes,
something
we are
like
here
that.
to help you out, brother.
Family, the future,
We
the
have your back.
possibilities.
We have
Yes,
your
yes, it's in both ways for sure. The
and also
future,
for the guys that look at this video, we have also your back.
for sure, for sure.
Yeah,
We are one big family for the people that have the
Yes, one
heart on
team,
the
one
right spot.
family.
Of course, people, we are growing. We are going to the top and further away.
Yes,
and
Maybe another planet in someday.
and the more people we can make happy, the happier we will be ourselves. That's just the way we are, right?
and the
Yeah,
much happier we'll be together.
Because
the future.
money ain't shit if you're just standing there alone on your boat or whatever, you know. That
No,
means shit, you know.
no.
Yes,
Money will buy us food and luxury, but
It's
the
friends,
family
friends and family.
yes, you need
is
to share it with each other to have a happy life,
Exactly.
to
of
live a
course.
happy life.
Yeah, exactly. I like that saying. I like that vibe.
Yeah, that's a good vibe because
I
yeah,
just
the
also want to say enjoy your evening because I see in 2 minutes we'll end the video.
of
So
course.
I just want to say that enjoy your evening, my brother.
I will.
Enjoy
You both too,
time
and
in Spain.
yeah, tomorrow is a new day, and the year is ending, and
Another diving
2020.
day.
Yes, of course, another treasure hunt. But yeah, the year is ending, and 2025 is around the corner, and we're gonna be the best of
Also, that Happy New Year for everybody that see this video.
Yeah,
for
happy
sure.
new year for you guys too.
Yes, yes. The best wishes.
Yeah, best wishes, man. May there be a lot of wealth coming into your life, bro.
Yeah, health,
Yes.
the health and brothers and family and good environment.
Yeah, let's
That's
be
what we
the
want.
best version of yourself in 2025.
Yes, yes. Let's go, motherfuckers.
Let's go.
Go, let's go.
Every day, good mindset, good focus, and training, mental
Okay,
health.
Mental
we will end
health.
this video.
Talk to you later, alligators.
Yes.
Ciao,
Talk to you in
brother.
the next one. Nice to have talked to you, bro.
Yeah, we talk another time more for sure.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Ciao,
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 ciao.
brother.
Ciao, ciao.